I'm going to show you how to delete multiple messages on iPhone. So if you don't want to delete like an entire chat you had with someone, you only want to delete a few messages, but you don't want to do it one by one, here's what you need to do. So open up your messages and go to that person, hold on to it, and then click on more. From there, just select everything you want to delete. And when you have chosen everything you want to delete, just click on this trash icon at the bottom left, click on it and delete 4 messages. Now this will be only deleted from your device, it won't be deleted on their end as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.